Hey everybody, this is Dante Fortson. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how to add your citations for your article submission. Now, first things first, if this all white is too harsh, we do have dark mode. You can scroll here or navigate over to here, and the default is what you see on the screen. You can click here and turn on dark mode if you prefer to work in dark mode. As you can see, everything has changed. All right, I prefer to work in light mode for this tutorial, so I will change it back, and you will need to click this again to close it. All right, so now you have your paragraph set up, you have your title set up. One more thing I want to mention about the title: make sure you capitalize the first letter of each word. The exceptions would be the words and, of, words like that. So make sure you use this style so that way the editors don't have to go back and do extra work after you make your submission. They'll usually change something small like that, but if it's much more, they'll suggest that you make the changes, and then you'll have to go back through the resubmission process and wait in line for your article to be reviewed. All right, so now the citations, you'll want to click here at the end of your paragraph or sentence. And what you're going to do is you're going to click this. I believe this is called a caret. You'll click the down caret, and you will want to click footnote. So when you click footnote, it will put a 1 right here, and it will put the 1 right here. Now, the style we use is the Harvard style, the same one that Cambridge uses. We use a mixture of the Cambridge, Oxford, and other requirements for article submission. So this article, we're just going to use Smith John as the author. It is 2023. We'll put the date there, put a period, and this is the sample tutorial article, and we'll put a period there. And if you have a website or a hyperlink to a website, you can go ahead and add it, and I will just add the jihad.org just so you guys can see. So https jihaad.org. So now, if you type it in, these will not automatically be linked, but if you highlight it and click this button right here, and it's a website address, it will automatically add it as a link, and you can set it to open in a new tab or stay on the same page. We suggest you set it to open in a new tab. All right, so the first source is there. Now the next thing you'll want to do, or you could do it first, either order, you'll want to type sources. So that way it separates, and I will show you guys what it looks like in a second. So we'll change this to heading, header 6. And there we go. We can save the draft. Now, if you want to preview your draft, you're going to want to come here to this computer icon and click preview in a new tab. And now it's going to generate the preview. And this is what our sample tutorial looks like so far. We have our 2 paragraphs, we have our subtitle, and we have our sources, and we have the co-authors, as I showed you guys how to do in the first video. So if you have not watched the first 2 videos, please go do so. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to do your conclusion paragraph and add the citation section so that when your article is used, people can properly cite your article.